So I heard you mention the term Kanban. Can you tell me a little bit about what that is?
It's a process in the industry.
Okay.
That just happened to be a solution for the right particular account. It was a mid-size OEM that just didn't have bill of materials for our product. So we really needed a consumables program where it works off a two bin system. One bin gets depleted, they can scan it, and that triggers a reorder to us. And then alternatively, at our facility, we are then filling the next bin and shipping it to them with their bin label already attached. And also, to save time for them, we are resorting the order based on bin ID so that once it gets to their facility, all they have to do is drive it down their assembly line replenish side and pull the bins off in the same order that they were put on the skid. So it's a great time saver for them.
So what changes did Brennan have to make to their existing processes to support this new approach to inventory management?
Everything. It was absolutely a complete tailored approach. There was nothing in our standard processes that led us to that solution, but it was definitely the right solution for them, and we were happy to do it. And we were flexible and nimble enough to create that type of solution.
And so ultimately that just saves them time and money and makes their processes more efficient.
Reduces the total cost.